Imagine starting an Instagram page today and already having hundreds of ready-made reels waiting for you to post. No filming, no editing, no voice recording. Just download, upload, and repeat. A new digital product called the Viral AI Health Reels Bundle claims it can give creators exactly that. But what exactly do you get inside this bundle, and how does it actually work? In this video, we're going to walk through the entire process step by step, so you can understand whether this product could actually help you create content faster. Short-form video content is dominating social media right now. Platforms like Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok are pushing short videos to millions of viewers every day. Because of this, many creators are building faceless theme pages that rely completely on short-form content. But there's a big challenge. Creating videos every single day takes a lot of work. You need ideas, you need scripts, you need editing, and you often need voiceovers. This is where content bundles like the Viral AI Health Reels Bundle come in. The idea behind this product is simple. Instead of creating reels from scratch, you get a large library of ready-made short videos that you can download and start posting immediately. In this video, we'll look at what's included in the bundle, how you download the content, how creators typically use it, and whether this type of bundle actually makes content creation easier for beginners. Let's talk about the biggest problem most new creators face: consistency. Almost every social media growth strategy requires consistent posting. Many successful theme pages post content every single day, and sometimes even multiple times per day. But beginners quickly realize something. Creating reels is not as simple as it looks. Even a short 15-second reel usually requires several steps. You need a script idea. You need visuals or clips. You need subtitles. You need editing. And sometimes you also need background music. Even with basic editing tools, producing one reel can take anywhere from 30 minutes to over an hour. Now imagine trying to create 30 or even 60 reels every month. That's where many creators struggle. They run out of time, they run out of ideas, and eventually they stop posting completely. This is the exact problem that ready-made content bundles attempt to solve. What most creators really want is a faster way to stay consistent. They want something simple, something that allows them to keep posting without spending hours editing videos. Ideally, they would have a library of short videos already created, videos that are formatted for social media and ready to upload. That way, they could simply select a video, upload it to their page, add a caption, and move on to the next post. This is essentially the promise behind the Viral AI Health Reels Bundle. Instead of building every reel from scratch, you start with a large collection of pre-made content. So what exactly is the Viral AI Health Reels Bundle? This product is a digital content pack that contains more than 500 short-form videos focused on health and wellness topics. The reels are designed specifically for short-form platforms such as Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok. Most of the videos follow a simple format. They present quick health tips, interesting facts, or short educational messages. The visuals are usually animated or stock-style clips combined with AI-generated voice narration and subtitles. Because subtitles are included, the videos are easy to watch even without sound, which is important since many users scroll through social media with their phone on silent mode. The files are typically delivered in MP4 format so they can be uploaded directly to most social media platforms without needing any conversion. Another key feature is that the videos are advertised as ready to post. This means you don't necessarily need to edit them before uploading. Let's walk through the general process of using a bundle like this. After purchasing the product, you receive access to the download files. Usually the files are delivered through a download page or a cloud storage link, such as Google Drive. Inside the folder, you'll find a large collection of video files. Each file represents a short reel that can be posted on social media. Creators typically browse through the library and select a reel that matches their page theme. For example, if you run a health tips page, you might choose videos related to nutrition, healthy habits, or daily wellness advice. Some creators simply upload the reels exactly as they are. Others prefer to make small edits first. They might add their logo, change the caption, add background music, or include their own branding. This step is optional but can help make the content feel more personalized. Once the video is ready, it can be uploaded directly to platforms like Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or TikTok. Many creators repeat this process daily to maintain consistent posting schedules. One of the main advantages of a bundle like this is the sheer volume of content. Having access to hundreds of reels means you can potentially schedule content for weeks or even months in advance. Health content is also a popular niche on social media because people are constantly interested in improving their lifestyle. Topics like better sleep, healthy foods, exercise habits, and daily wellness tips often attract engagement. Short educational videos tend to perform well because they are quick to watch and easy to share. Another factor that helps this type of content perform well is that viewers often save useful tips, and saved posts usually send positive signals to the algorithm. Feedback for content bundles like this usually focuses on convenience. Many users appreciate how much time they can save by starting with a ready-made library of videos. Instead of spending hours creating new content every day, they already have material ready to publish. However, some creators still prefer producing original content because it can feel more unique and personalized. Ultimately, the value of a bundle like this depends on how it fits into your content strategy. Some creators post the reels as they are, while others modify them slightly before publishing. Large library of ready-made reels, beginner-friendly and easy to use, no editing skills required. Instant digital download, low one-time purchase cost. At the same time, there are a few things to consider. Content may not be completely unique. Some creators may prefer original videos. Results still depend on your posting strategy. Overall, the Viral AI Health Reels bundle works as a ready-made content library for short-form videos. It's designed mainly for creators who want to start posting quickly without spending a lot of time on video editing. If you run a theme page or you're experimenting with short-form content, this type of bundle could help simplify the content creation process. If you'd like to explore the bundle yourself, you can check the product link in the description to see the full details and decide if it fits your content strategy.